I think we found that the Northern Powerhouse brand, if you like, has been very meaningful to international investors for a couple of different reasons, really. If you're looking at markets like China, where government-to-government type collaboration is commonplace, and certainly them seeing this as a major initiative for the UK government has automatically brought their interest to the table, really. The key for that is for the major projects that UK government has been encouraging them to become part of, whether it be rail, whether it be wider sort of property-based infrastructure or road-based infrastructure. The key for that really is that those opportunities to invest start to come to the surface within the short to medium term, so that as well as sparking their interest, they're actually able to fully realise some of those investment opportunities that have been highlighted. I think in areas like the US, where it's less government to government, in terms of how, if you like, initiatives are publicised, it's simply been the increased profile that, if you like, having ministers behind that type of initiative has really helped drive. And we've seen, the Prime Minister previously, we've seen other senior ministers from chancellors to foreign ministers, etc., host major business events within the US, with Northern Powerhouse being a theme, and that's certainly been able to raise the profile. I think by bringing the Northern Powerhouse together and by quantifying it as a significant single population and economic zone, then you do get that opportunity to scale what the North has to offer. So it's 15 million people as opposed to a single metropolitan population. It's a £300 billion economy, which is not dissimilar to that of London and the South East, actually. And when you get to those kind of totals, then it's incredibly significant as an investment opportunity for major trading nations like the US, like China, India, etc. And when you look at it in that kind of quantity, you see the opportunity to invest at a significant level. And as long as the returns are true and the value is coming through, and certainly with the propositions we have here in Manchester, there's significant value in some of those investments, then there is the ability to realise the opportunity around that. I think in terms of significant sectors, certainly with the focus on infrastructure that, again, we've had recently, we've seen major interest from the rail industry, from wider infrastructure companies such as tunnelling, road building, all of those major sort of transport-related industries, if you like, and infrastructure-related industries. So transport manufacturing is actually the largest single international investment sector there is, and it has been for the last decade, and it probably will continue to be for the next decade. So the key is to have the opportunities for those people to actually come and invest. And the exciting thing at the moment is that those opportunities are being identified, but the key then is to make sure that they're progressed, that those opportunities are opened up to the global market, and that we actually start to see progression in decision making and confirmation of contracts being available.